Hello, Victor here from Automotive Crewe, and today we'll be showing you around this Peugeot 5008 1.2 PureTech GT, finished in striking red color. This stylish and spacious SUV is powered by a 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine producing 130 PS, which is paired with smooth automatic transmission. The external features of the front include full LED headlights with static cornering lighting and Sabre-style LED daytime running lights, which ensure excellent visibility while adding a premium touch. The 18-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels not only elevate the SUV's sporty stance but also provide excellent road grip. At the back, the LED rear lights with scrolling indicators and signature Peugeot 3-claw light design ensure striking nighttime presence. The Peugeot 508 excels in practicality, offering very flexible boot, and the third-row seats can be stored under the boot floor or removed completely. Inside, passengers are treated to very spacious cabin with comfortable seating and folding tables on the back of front seats, as well as USB charging sockets which allow on-the-go device charging. Up front, the driver enjoys perforated full-grain leather steering wheel with stitching detail and GT line badging. The driver and front passenger seats offer mechanical height adjustment. The Peugeot iCockpit digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel provides clear and customizable driving information, while the trip computer ensures you stay informed about key vehicle data. The automatic dual-zone climate control system allows the driver and front passenger to set individual temperatures, enhancing comfort on every journey, and the infotainment system comes with Bluetooth and DAB radio to enjoy high-quality sound with six-speaker audio system, as well as 3D connected navigation, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which allows seamless smartphone connectivity for calls, messaging, and apps. On top of that, the driver will benefit from rear parking camera and parking sensors, which help you maneuvering the vehicle in tight spaces. This has been a presentation of the Peugeot 5008 1.2 PureTech GT. For more information or to arrange a test drive, give us a call today.